My name is Lennart Rietveld, the Americas Director of WTS Energy. That makes me directly responsible for the Mexico City office and partially for the Houston office. We are integrated offices, so we do some cross-office collaboration. We are sharing clients, exchanging talent. The start of the Mexican office was August 1st, 2016. That was my first working day. I come from a recruitment background, so my initial thought was really building out the direct hire side of business. So that's where we started. But little by little, due to the energy reform in Mexico, we really got high opportunities to also develop the manpower business. And we built that out into quite a successful company today. Mexico is the second most biodiverse country in the world. Approximately 130 million inhabitants. A lot of energy resources. However, if you look at the bureaucracy index worldwide, Mexico is being highlighted as the top 5. So that creates a lot of compliance, a lot of audits and a lot of checks. We are a fully compliant setup, and that is what made our growth possible. The service we offer currently in Mexico are specialized engineering services. So 80% of our business is focused directly on the offshore operators and the offshore rig contractors. And on our second service is basically direct hire services, in which WTS Mexico really works as a recruitment agency. We are able to find the right people for the right company. In terms of industry, so really next to the whole supply chain of oil and gas, we are working already with different type of energy companies. We're really trying to diversify our energy portfolio to make that next step and to create further growth in Mexico. The EPC market, it's something we are further developing at the moment. So if we look at the history of WTS in Mexico, our main contracts come from the major operators, the oil and gas operators that started initially around 2018 to 20 with exploration and are currently in production mode. However, in order to have them operate, they need rig contractors, and rig contractors at the end need EPC contractors. So we do work with them, and we are further integrating that value chain. I think the real differentiation of WTS Energy lies in its company culture. It's really an entrepreneurial company. You really need to make the decisions, create the decisions, and create your success. And that really translates in the type of people we work with. Next to that, we are not in for the short-term win. We are really looking into the long-term cooperation. And that's why we have contracts since 2020 that keep on going at the end, because value is created between the clients and ourselves, in which we really create a partnership. We are positive of doing far more over the next couple of years.